Slalom, navigating the twisty turns of language. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to embark on a linguistic journey to understand a word that originates from the snowy slopes but has made its way into everyday language. Slalom. It might sound like an unusual word at first, but by the end of this video, you'll grasp its meaning and be ready to use it with confidence. Slalom is a word borrowed from Norwegian. It's actually a combination of two words, sla, meaning slightly inclining hillside, and lam, meaning track or path. Originally, slalom described a skiing event where athletes would navigate a downhill course set with a series of gates. These gates were poles that the skiers needed to pass closely by, forcing them to make quick and sharp turns. Although slalom began as a term specific to skiing, its meaning has expanded over time. Today, slalom can be used to describe any event or situation where someone has to navigate through a series of obstacles in quick succession. For example, if someone is weaving through a crowd quickly, it can be likened to a slalom. The word can be used both as a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to the event or course itself. As a verb, it describes the action of navigating through obstacles. For instance, the traffic cones were set up like a slalom course. She slalomed her way through the bustling marketplace. To fully grasp the usage of slalom, let's look at a few more examples. 1. The motorcyclist slalomed between the cars, making his way quickly through traffic. 2. The agility course for dogs was set up like a slalom, challenging the animals to weave through poles swiftly. 3. Avoiding puddles on the way home, the children turned their walk into a fun slalom. There you have it. From snowy slopes to everyday situations, slalom is a word that captures the essence of navigating through obstacles with agility and speed. We hope this explainer helps you slide this word into your vocabulary effortlessly. Remember, language is an adventure, and words like slalom make the journey even more exciting. Happy learning!